guys, my name is Alex. This is gonna be my first video uploading on YouTube, and this is pretty exciting. And I want to start off with, I want to talk about Subaru Outback 2016 cruise control. How to use a cruise control, because many of you guys probably know cruise control is just to keep the speed limit, but on the 2016 Outback, Subaru has the eyesight, which it also includes adaptive cruise control. So here you go, guys. I'm going to show you how to use it and get comfortable with it. It's a really cool feature. I use it all the time. Alright, so right now I'm on the freeway driving about, I'm stuck in traffic. It's about 20 miles per hour. But even though, I'm going to show you how to use this cruise control on a low speed as well. So here you go. So this is the Subaru steering wheel. As you can see, the cruise control is off. Now, the cruise control button is located on the right side of the steering wheel, the bottom button right over here. So in order to turn it on, you want to push this button. What happens is that ready light comes up with the car symbol, meaning the cruise control is ready to be activated. Now, as you can see, I'm driving 30 miles per hour. It's kind of traffic right now. I can go ahead and activate cruise control by pushing this button down. What happens is it's set to cruise control, which is already on at 36 miles per hour, because I was going 36 miles per hour at the time when I turned it on. I can always boost it up to 65 miles per hour. So it says 65, but I'm still going 50 because there is a car right in front of me kind of slowing down. So what the car does is it recognizes the car right in front of you and it slows it down. And as you can see over here, there's a picture of two cars and 4 lanes in between those two cars, which means I set up the car into a mode that keeps 4 cars of a distance from a car ahead of you and you. You can always eliminate it by lowering that down, which is, you know, right over here, or raise it up. So you can, you know, adjust it however much distance you want to keep it away from the car in front of you. I like to set it up on the 4 car distance because I feel more comfortable when the car starts braking, and your car will recognize the car in front of you a lot faster, and it will start slowing down. So as soon as you hit the brake on the cruise control, what it does is it will turn off the cruise control, but it will still say that it's ready to reactivate again. So what I can do is, in that case, to reactivate, all you have to do is just push that up button. It will reactivate back to 65 where I originally adjusted, which is kind of cool. This car also comes with lane departure, which is right next to it. If you turn that on, what will happen is those 2 lines will add on the sides, which means the lane departure is on. So in case if I'm swerving over left, what will happen is it will keep the car in the it won't let your car to scroll over to the next line. So let me show you again. So I'm gonna let go of my steering wheel. As you can see, the green light turns on, meaning, oh, this car is swerving, but it's also pushing it back in the line, which is kind of cool. So if you want to turn off this cruise control, there's two ways of doing it. Either you can deactivate it by pushing the brake. As you can see, I'm not even using any of the pedal, and I use the cruise control every day I go to work, which is pretty convenient. If you want to deactivate it, all you have to do is hit the brake. What will happen, it will say ready, which is deactivated. If you want to reactivate it, you hit the up button right here. It will say set, which means it's already active. It's on cruise control. You can also deactivate the cruise control by pushing this button, and it will turn off the cruise control. So I'm going to show you how to do that. You push it, it says ready, you push it again, it's off. Now your lane departure will still remain on. You can still use it without using the cruise control, but if I'm doing most of the driving, I usually turn that off as well, which is pretty cool, right? So I'm going to turn it back on. Set, which is down. It's set at 59 miles per hour because I was going that speed. I'm going to boost it up to 65, maybe 67, not too slow. And it's already set. So it's that simple. If you wonder, I mean, I'm pretty sure you wonder how the cruise control makes the car slow down when the car in front of you slows down. If you haven't noticed, there's two cameras right above the rearview mirror, which is right over here. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. These cameras will help you, slow the car down as soon as the car in front of you brakes. It's also for collision as well. So if you're driving, even whether you have your cruise control on or off, if you don't brake and the car in front of you is stopped, the car will immediately stop for you. But if you start slowly braking and there's a car in front of you and you're not braking hard enough, most likely the eyesight won't activate because it's thinking that you're using the brake. You're aware of the car being stopped right in front of you, which is kind of, cool. I mean, I'm pretty sure most manufacturers have that adaptive cruise control where it slows down, keeps the car in the lane and all that, but I haven't tried it in another car yet. So far, this is my first 2016 Subaru Outback, and I got that option. And this is the first car I'm actually trying it on, which is really, really, really cool. So I think that pretty much gives you an idea how to use the cruise control and have fun with it. I mean, in the beginning you might be scared using it because you don't trust the car yet because you've never tried it, but you can always have your foot above your brake just to be ready while you're trying it on, in case if you feel like the car is not acting the way you want it to act. You can always brake it, hit the brake, and then the cruise control will deactivate. You can go back to a normal driving mode. So hopefully this video comes in very handy for you guys, and try it out. I mean, it's a great feature. If you have any questions, please comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. Try out cool. Thank you guys. Bye bye.